If I had this 15 years ago when I was a case manager, I would have spent more Sunday mornings at the beach instead of catching up on case notes before Monday. Hey YouTube, this is Curtis Camponi, founder of Speak for MC, Speak for Motivating Change, and I am speaking at the 2025 National Wrap Around the World Conference about how AI is changing the way we empower youth and support families. Before we dive in, let me say this. You did not get into this field to be stuck behind a computer. You got into this work to build trust, connect with families, help others, inspire change. Here's the thing, AI is here. ChatGPT is here. And just because you're not using it doesn't mean others aren't. That doesn't make you less committed. It just means you might be passing up a tool that could free up your time so you could do more of the work that really matters, the reason you got into the job. I'm making this video because I was you. And if I had this tool back then, yes, I would have been initially hesitant to use it. I will keep it real. I probably would have pushed back. But then once I realized how valuable it could be as it relates to my mental health, with regard to being able to focus on the parts of the job that actually motivated me to go into this field in the first place, it really could have taken away some of the stress that came with the parts of the job that are really tedious. And look, I know how it feels. I used to email myself case notes just so I could catch up later. I even voice recorded some right after doing a home visit and then would have to listen to my own voice while I type in the notes. Some of you even have a note day every week. Maybe it's a Thursday or Friday where you're at the office all day entering notes instead of being out there doing the things you love. I'm telling you, the answer is here and it is easier than you think. So what I want to do is create a really quick and easy video to show you how ChatGPT can help people who are in helping professions. This is going to be the first of many if you found it useful. So let's go ahead. Let's take a look. First, you got to go to chat.openai.com and create a free account. Yes, you heard me. A free account. No fancy setup, no tech experience needed. This is ChatGPT. So think of it like a brainstorming partner, an assistant, something that's fast, patient, and just ready whenever you are. So let's walk through a real-time scenario. It's Friday, I'm exhausted, I want to start my weekend, but I need to enter a case note before calling it a week. I might type, hello, long day, it's Friday, and I need to enter some case notes before shutting down for the weekend. Can you help? ChatGPT responds like a colleague who's calm and ready to support me. Now, everyone has their own approach. Some people use it like Google and just say, give me an answer for a question I'm asking. For me, someone who's in a helping profession, background in psychology, if you're in a helping profession, you might be the same way. I found that you get the most out of it if you talk to it like you would talk to a colleague or a coworker. You're using AI as a way to collaborate towards solutions, not just dictate the answers that you need, but everyone has its own approach. That's just mine. So back to the case note, let's say I give them some basic details, nothing edited, definitely not putting any confidential information in here. I don't have to write these type of case notes. So I might type, arrived around 5, youth wasn't home at first. When he did arrive, he said he missed school a few times, talked about a job search, we did a life skills activity, we plan to meet again, and that I need to schedule with the JPO. And here's what I got back, a clear, neutral, and professional case note that reflects what really happened. And let's say after writing this case note, this young person, their progress is really on my mind. I want to help them. So I can use ChatGPT to help bounce off ideas. For instance, I asked it for help thinking through how to motivate the youth to commit to school. What did it do? It gave me some practical strategies and then even offered to create a worksheet activity that I can use with this young person next time I meet with them. And I really want you to take a look about how quick this thing is building this out. Whereas before you're Googling, you're searching, you're trying to find downloadable PDFs or you're creating your own document in Word, it's doing this in a matter of seconds. So I get my case note in, I have my worksheet, and now finally I need to update the team. I got an email, career coach, educator, social worker, mentor. These are a lot of people on one email, so it's important that this email is buttoned up, it's clear, it's neutral, and it makes sure that everybody's on the same page. So I asked ChatGPT, help me write a short email to bring them up to speed and get everyone aligned. Because ChatGPT and I have already been working on this case note, I don't have to re-explain everything. They can just create an email based off the case note they were helping me write. ChatGPT drafts the email, it's clear, it's professional, and it's ready to send. That alone saved me 15-30 minutes. And again, it all started with a simple prompt. So look, ChatGPT won't replace your experience. It's not here to do your job for you. It's here to help you do your job better, faster, and with less burnout. If you've been curious, this is your sign to try it. AI is not going anywhere. So you'll either be a part of the process, be a part of the change, or you'll just see it pass you by. You have an opportunity to impact people. You chose a profession that is about helping others. Let AI free up the time from the tedious stuff so you can focus more on the things that are important, influence and change in your communities. Good luck out there. You got this.